Hey guys, Blender 4.5 is out, and in this version they made a major change which is claimed to significantly improve performance of Blender. And in this video I will be testing Blender 4.5 performance while sculpting with the Blender 4.4 previous version. So what was the main change? So now if you will download Blender 4.5, we'll go to the Edit, Preferences, and System, and Display Graphics, and here in the backend you can change OpenGL to the Vulkan. So Vulkan is a new graphics API that provides potential performance improvements, mainly in the viewport and rendering, and also it is claimed that it will be making sculpting process smoother and faster. So let's start our experiment with Blender 4.4.3 that I was using before, and this model, by the way, was sculpted in this version, I think. So for the experiment I will be selecting this head. I will show you, it's only the head without ears and hairs and anything, and it's only 300,000, a little bit more than 300,000 polygons. So what we normally do, of course you know it, to go to the higher details, you can see that it's not very detailed right now. If I will go to the wireframe, you can see it consists of pretty big polygons, but still looking nice, but it's not the case. So I will start with the value 0.001, which is pretty high, and I'll click remesh, and it took 6 seconds for my machine, and you can see in the screen the specs of my machine. So now her face consists of 7.6 million polygons, and let's see how it will perform. It performs nicely without any lagging. Now let's go back, and I will go for 0008, and it will be pretty heavy, I think, and I will hit remesh, and it took pretty quick. Now it's 12 million polygons. Let's try to sculpt on her face. Yeah, again looking very smooth. And let's try to switch to the edit mode, but it will be very difficult, I think, for the Blender. It was lagging really heavy, but it made it. And you see how hard it is for Blender now. So I will go back to the sculpt mode. Alright, so let's go further and try to remesh it again. Now let's go and try the 0006, which probably might be extreme for my machine at least. So let's try and remesh. And it did it. It took 24 seconds. And now her head consists of 21 million polygons, even a little bit more. And let's try to draw something. I don't feel any lagging here, and I won't be going to the edit mode because it will be fatal, I think, for my computer. And now let's go a little bit higher to 0004, which will be probably very much for my computer, but we will see. And I'm hitting remesh. Wow, and it made it, and on my computer it took 4 minutes and 7 seconds, and you can see that it's lagging really heavily, but it made it. It's 48 million polygons for the head, which is pretty cool. And let's try to sculpt something on it. Yeah, here we go. we have the stroke, but you see how laggy it is. Yeah, so now let's go and check how new Blender 4.5 will be handling this kind of tasks. So here I'm in new Blender 4.5, the same file, same model. All the settings are same, just like in Blender 4.3. And I will go to Edit and Preferences first, and we'll change here System, Display Graphics, Backend, and OpenGL to Vulkan. And it says a restart of Blender is required, so I will go and I'll save Preferences, close this one, and I will restart Blender. So I have restarted the Blender now, and we can go back to the preferences and see that now the Vulkan is set as a default. So let's go and start doing exactly the same things that we done in Blender 4.3 previously. So let's start remeshing with the same values. We'll start with 001. And I will hit remesh. And it took 7 seconds. And I think it's no need to go and check the performance because everything is well. I'm more than sure here it will sculpt nicely with no problems. So let's go and quickly check the next level, 3008, and I will hit remesh, and it did it in 14 seconds. Of course it will work nicely, I'm more than sure. Let's try to do the same thing that we did with the previous version of Blender. Switch to the edit mode and see how long it will take. Oh, and it also took quite a long time, 2 minutes 20 something like that seconds. So now I will go back to the sculpting mode. Okay, it looks like it took less, not 30 seconds as in the previous version, I think. Amazing. So let's go and continue our experiment. Now we will go to the 0006 and remesh. Ooh, it's done. It's 21 million now. It took 30 seconds. Amazing. I think it's much faster. 21 million. And I'm more than sure that it will easily sculpt on this one. Yeah, I think it's not lagging. So let's go and try the highest value for this experiment for 0004, and I'm really excited to see what will happen, and let's check it out. Okay. It crashed. Oh my god. So it crashed. I'm a little bit disappointed, but let's go and try it once again. Remesh 0.4 and let's try and see. Boom.
A few moments later.
And it crashed second time. So I will try it once again, the last time, and I hope it will be able to remesh. I don't know.
A few moments later.
So I tried it 3 times, and I'm really disappointed a little bit, because I really wanted to try how Blender 4.5 with the new Vulkan tool will be handling 40 million polygons, and I couldn't do that. And I waited for 5 minutes every time, but Blender was crashing and crashing and crashing every time. So this experiment shows that the previous version probably is more stable and even a little bit faster, although they are claiming that Vulkan is going to increase the performance, overall performance of Blender, but for now not with sculpting, most likely. But I also want to say that it's not only about Blender, it's also my computer, and maybe my experiment wasn't very clear, very clean, I mean, because in the back I had OBS working. Also I had some other apps working, but they were working for both experiments. I mean, they were working when I was using Blender 4.4 and also I was using Blender 4.5. Anyways, Blender team is doing amazing work. They are giving us opportunity to use this outstanding program for free and to do what we really want to do and to realize our potential, and gives us possibility to grow as artists and even to earn money for free. But to be honest, I'm really disappointed. I really wanted to say in this video that this is amazing, this is much better, like speed came out twice faster, but no, the reality is much slower. I hope that in the future they will still that this Vulkan will be improved, and maybe the sculpting part will be also much smoother in Blender, and it will be able to handle to allow our machines to handle more polygons. Alright, and thank you for watching this video. And if you want to sculpt, to learn sculpting stylized females, I already have 3 courses in my ArtStation store about sculpting stylized female heads, about sculpting stylized female hairs, and stylized female bodies. The link is in the description. I also have Patreon for exclusive content for this kind of models are available for download there if you want to see them. And also my latest course is also available there. So all the links are in the description. And in the end of the video, I want to say thanks to my patrons who are supporting me on the regular basis. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.